double click on create table in design view or right click design view, it's the same. He will open a new window inside your database. This window called table 1. Why? Because we didn't give it any name till now. Okay, why not? I can give this table a name. How? Save. Okay, this table, when I save it, it will save on inside my database or what? It will be saved inside my database, test database. Okay, okay, I will try to put any name and press OK. He will not save it for you. Why? Read this message. Microsoft Access can save this table. Why? There are no fields in this table. No fields. You must create a fields before you save in this table. Okay. Where I can put my fields? Here. This is a field name. Okay, and this column is called data type. Do you remember data type in Excel? Text, a number. Huh? Here, different data types here in Access. More than text and number. Okay, and this is a description for your field. Okay, we will create the first table now. Employee table, for example. Huh. Can you tell me which fields we should put it on this table? ID. Okay. Huh. Click here. Name. What about data types? We will back to the data types now. Name. Huh. What else? Telephone. Address. Email. Huh. Salary. Huh? Yes, department code. Huh? Birth date. Mobile. Huh? Birth place, your city, or we can write it city, not city here, city. Okay? Okay. What about data types? So now I can know now how can I put my fields on the table, because I am now in the design view. Okay, I will not enter any data here. It's only for the design of the table. Okay, why I need a data type for each field? If I create this table, for example, and this field is called code, so I must put here number, right? My data entry didn't see the code word and put a text here. Is this good or bad thing? So I should take care. Right? And be careful in designing your table. Even if he didn't know that this is code and he must put a number, I should tell you. How can I tell you? I will create a data type here, and if you put a wrong data type, the table will tell you this is a wrong data type. Why? Because I put the suitable data type here. So this is ID. Okay, I can put a text, a number, or date, or what, or auto number, what the difference? Text, you will only put, no, not only text. You can put text, characters, and numbers, and dashes, and hyphens, and all characters. But he will consider it text. Okay? Memo is the same. So what the difference between text and memo? Yes, text you can only put 255 characters in this field. You can't put more than this number. But memo, more large. Yes, larger. Approximately 65,000 characters. What? Yes. Yeah, no, you will not see it here. Okay. Okay. It's almost as I told you, 65,000 characters. That's why they called it memo. Okay. Number, you must put number only. Date and time, you must put a full date. What do you mean? You can't put 2000. No, he will not consider this a date. Your date must be day, month, year. Okay? Hey, Isma, what happened? Okay. Currency. It's for money. And the symbol of your currency, dollar or sterling. Okay? Guinea Masri, Guinea Burnawi. كده. What's your currency? Brunei dollar. It's equal Singapore dollar. It's equal how much in American dollar?
No, it's about $1 that is Brunei equal to $1 US.
Equal to $1 US.
$1 US equal to $1.
One.
130 plus.
It's the same. Almost. Yes. Okay. Auto number is automatic number. You will not put it by yourself. Access, he will create it automatically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and so on. Okay? Okay. OLE objects. Ole. Okay. I need to put. I want to put your picture in my table. I want to put a document. I want to put audio files or video files. I can't put it on the text data type or number data type. So this data type OLE object, it's for documents, files, and so on. Okay? Hyperlink, it's like internet. It's hyperlink, it's a clickable item. If you write anything in this field with data type hyperlink, this data, it will be clickable data. Like domain name of the companies, like emails of the employees, and so on. Lookup wizard to create a list like this. To create a drop down menu like this. You will see it. Let's try one by one. ID. Text or number or auto number? It can be text, can be number, can be auto number. Okay, let's try the auto number. Okay, name, text, telephone. Wrong answer. Number or text? Very good. Why? We said it before in Excel. Because it can be started with 0. And if I choose data type number, he will remove the 0. So it must be text. Email address, text. Email, hyperlink. Salary, currency. Department code. It depends on this code on the table. Department number or text? In the department table, this field is number or text? Number. So it must be here. Number. Look at the board, please. This field. Code. In this table, department code. It's number or text? Number. Now I create this table. And I create now this field. If I choose text here, I can't make a relation between this field and this field. How can I relate a number with text? That's why we said this field, it's like this field. Okay? So if you already create this field on the department table with data type number, it must be here number also. Birth date, date and time. Mobile, text. City. We have in Egypt 30 cities. Each time I will make the data entry to put and write the city and repeat it for each one? No, it's not logical. But the logical thing that I create for him a list like this, and he choose the suitable city from it, right? How can I do that? Open this list and using lookup wizard. There's a dialog box. It's called lookup wizard. Okay? Okay. He will ask you, you have these cities in another table or not? If not, I will choose this one. I will type in the values that I want. And you will write it for him in this wizard. Next. The first city, Cairo. Okay. Alex. You know Alex?
Yes.
Okay. No, Giza. Okay. Shobra is not a city. It's a street. Suez. Luxor. Aswan. And so on. Gardaqa, Hurghada. Yes. Okay, and Sharm Sheikh and so on. Okay? Next. What the name of the field? We said city. Finish. Okay. But it's not working. Right? Why? Why, sir? Does anyone still wake up? Why? Hey girls, we are here in the design view. Yeah. these things will appear on data entry view. Okay? Not here. Okay, I need now to create this table. It's not created yet. I need to save it. Okay? Save. He will let me save this table now? Yes. Employees. Huh. Okay. See what will happen. Okay. Look at this. He will warn me. There is no primary key defined. Read it. Although a primary key isn't required, it's highly recommended. A table must have a primary key for you to define a relationship between this table and the other tables in the database. Do you want to create a primary key now?
Yes.
If you said yes, he will create it for you. And this is the wrong way. Why? Because you have your own design. And you only know which field of these fields will be the primary key. Right? Okay, if I said yes, he will put the primary key for me. In which field? Salary? Why salary? No. He will put it on the auto number field. Why auto number? Because the auto number, it's the same like primary key. Imagine, this is an auto number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be duplicated? Never be duplicated. Right? It will be none in the future? No, never. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So it's like, and the same properties of the primary key. So now you told him, please put a primary key for me. He will choose what? The auto number. So in the exam, we will ask you, please put a suitable primary key on a suitable field. What you will choose in this case? No. Forget this message.
Which one
We will ask you on exam, I need to put a primary key. Choose a suitable field. I must choose the auto number. Must choose the auto number field. Okay? Understand? Okay. I will tell you no. I don't want a primary key now. Why? To put the primary key by myself. Okay? How can I put a primary key? In my design, I put the primary key on ID. Right? Click here to select this field and click on this button to create a primary key. This field now is a primary key field. Okay? Another way, you can make a right click and from the shortcut menu you can put a primary key. Can I remove it? Yes, in the same way. Okay? Understand? Okay. Save it now. It's employees, right? If I close this table, it will be removed from the database? No, I will find it here. Inside my database. Understand? I need to create the second one. The same way. Double click here and put your fields and put the primary key and save it and you will find it here also. And so on. You can create any number of tables. Okay? And he will put it automatically for you here in this object, tables object. And if you go to any object, any other object and back again to tables, you will see it here also. Okay? Okay. Close the database. I need to open it now. Access still running. File, open, go to the place of the database, choose it, open. He will open it for you, and you will find your tables inside it. Understand? Okay, I need to fill my data now. I will put it on the design view. No, this view, it's only for create and design my table. But now I need to put my data. Right click, open, or double click. This is another view on your table. It's called data sheet view. So I have two views now. Design view to design my table, and data sheet view to put and enter my data on the table. I can see these views from here. View menu. This is design view and this is data sheet view. Okay? When he will ask you in exam, please go to the design view. How can I go to the design view? From view, design view, or this button. This is the icon of design. A ruler and pencil and so on. Okay? Click on it. You will go to design view. You need now to go to datasheet view. The same button. Click here.